Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a way to boost yourself in the morning, feel more refreshed, you're working on a diet, you are trying to work on your skin, you want to age 10 years back, this recipe right here is for you. This recipe is filled with all the goodness of vitamin C and loads of antioxidants. And trust me, just like our culture is here, it is easy to make, super easy, and it can be done in less than 2 minutes. So come along with me, guys, while I show you how to make this vitamin C goodness. Let's go. In my blender, I'm going to start with my orange. I'm putting the orange with all of the seeds, everything, peeled orange, into my blender. And then I'm also going to go in with my tangerine, which is also very rich in vitamin C and oxidants. Then I'm going to go in with a little ginger, some frozen strawberries, some kiwi, which is also really rich in vitamin C, sweetened Greek yogurt, no flavor, just plain unsweetened full fat Greek yogurt. Next, I'm going to go in with my homemade carrot juice. Carrots are a very good source of beta carotene, fiber, vitamin C, vitamin K, and antioxidants. Now, the orange carrots get their bright color from beta carotene, an oxidant that your body converts into vitamin A. And beta carotene is very good for the skin. Now, I poured in 250 mils of my carrot juice into my blender and blended until smooth. Take note, the quantity of carrot juice that you're going to be pouring in your smoothie to blend depends on the consistency that you want your smoothie to have. I prefer my smoothie a bit runny. It's easier for me to drink that way. So you just go ahead and pour your smoothie into your mason jar. Now this tastes super good. This is a family, pleaser. Everyone is going to love it. The kids will love it. Every member of the family. I can't think of any reason why anyone wouldn't love this vitamin C goodness. Don't forget, guys, to give us a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next one.